Hi everyone, let's get our mathematicians hats on. Turn that math brain on. Okay, our learning target for today is I can represent partners with tiny tumblers. What are tiny tumblers? Well, I get to tell you a fun story today, and that's why I already have this hat on, because we're going to travel to the mountains. So, in a land far, far away, live tiny tumblers in cozy little places on the top of mountains. We've got one mountain over here, and then this cozy little place, there are 6 tiny tumblers, and that's our 6th math mountain. And over here, we have our 10 math partner mountain. So every day after they eat breakfast and brush their teeth and do their chores, like put their dish in the dishwasher or make their beds, they get to tumble off the mountain. And to tumble means to roll and roll and roll. And they love to do this. And when they go to do it, some go off this side of the mountain and some go off the other side of the mountain. But if it's a 6 math mountain, there are always 6 tiny tumblers. So let's see. This is our 6 partner math mountain. So let's say we have 3 go on this side and 3 tumble on that side. So we always want to start at the bottom when we go to draw our tiny tumblers. And you will get to draw tiny tumblers today too. So I'm going to draw 3 over here. And then it looks like I need to draw 3 over here as well. Let's count to make sure that we have 6 total tiny tumblers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should always be the same amount of tiny tumblers down here at the bottom of the mountain as there were at the top of the mountain. We never lose any tiny tumblers. So let's look at our 10 partner math mountain. So we're going to say that 4 of them tumbled that way and 6 of them tumbled to the right. This is our right and this is our left. So 4 tiny tumblers fall out to the left. So count with me as I draw 4 tiny tumblers starting at the bottom of the mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over here we have our 6 tiny tumblers. Count with me. I'm starting at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count to make sure we have how many total tiny tumblers? 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you want to have some fun making your own math mountains after you're done with your schoolwork, this is what you could do. It could be kind of fun. You can make whatever number you want, and then you could add little eyes and mouths and hair to your tiny tumblers falling down the mountain. But before you do that, I want to make sure that you guys finish your schoolwork for today. So you get to make your own tiny tumblers on here. So the top row, you can see it's our 6 math mountain. So our number 6 is at the top. And you can see in the example, which kind of shows you what you need to do, that there are 5 tiny tumblers on this side and 1 tiny tumbler on that side. So they drew 5 circles right here to represent the tiny tumblers and 1 on the other side to represent the tiny tumbler. So then you're going to do this one. So you're going to start right at the bottom and you're going to make your 4 circles for this side of the mountain and 2 circles for that side. And then when you're finished, you can either post it to the Google Classroom or send it to your teacher if you want, or you can show your mom or dad or your grandma and grandpa, or maybe you have a sibling and you want to tell them all about the tiny tumblers too. All right, and a shout out to Kimberly from Mrs. Kusamoto's class. She posted our last assignment on there, and I saw that she did a great job with comparing numbers. Good job, Kimberly. All right, until next time, see you later.